Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Guess who's back with another Mel Made Me Do It, and this time is no other than mother of all makeup, Pat McGrath. I wanted to try her foundation and her lipsticks. Hell yes, but do I have the budget for it? Hell no. But then I saw on Melissa's wardrobe that Pat McGrath is having a sale. I was like, holy sugar, she does a sale? I didn't think so. You know, Pat McGrath is the auntie you want to be like, the auntie that you wish you grow up to be. That's Pat McGrath. I got my hands on her, lip balms and her lipsticks, and I'm gonna do swatches and I'm gonna put it on for you guys so you know what we are working with. This is the new Upper Last lip gloss, and this is the mini one, so I think it retails for 26 or 28.99 UK pounds. It retails for, and I got the mini one for 12 pounds, or yes, I got the mini one for 10 pounds. Could you believe that? They were having a Black Friday sales, so I got it for 12 pounds, and it's still going on. That is why I'm making this video, so you guys, you can all be shopping together. I'm not keeping it because I got it from Mel, so I'm sharing it as well. My lips is black, just in case you're wondering. There's nothing on my lips, so that's why my lips is black. So before you write down in the comment section below, oh, your lip is so black, yes, I know where I come from. Most of us have a black lips and a red underlip, so I'm just telling you before you write something. And I got the mini last lip gloss as well. This is the Sunset Seduction Trio. But first off, let me try the lip balm because my lips is quite dusty. So I'm going to try the mini lip Fetish lip balm trio. Okay, so this is the clear lip balm. So we will try the clear lip balm on first before we put our lip glosses on. I like this. I like the clear one. I do. I really do like it. And the next one is Blow Up. So let's try Blow Up. Blow Up is nude. Yeah, I like Blow Up. It just came off. Was I doing it too much? Oh, I think I shouldn't have pulled it all the way up. Well, it happens. Okay, Auntie Pat, what's going on? I'm not sure. Am I doing something wrong here? Let's try and line my lips a bit. Yeah, I like it. Like, this is a lip balm and it feels like I have nothing on my lips. It's so lovely. I like this. And the next one is Fresh 3. Let's see if Fresh 3 is going to work. I hope I'm not gonna break it. Okay, so now I'm careful how I'm doing this. Okay. Well, Auntie Pat, come through. Ooh, Auntie Pat is coming through. This is supposed to be a lip balm. Wow, I like this. Seriously. Like it a lot. Now let's go for the Upper Last glass. Oh, look at look at them babies coming out. Look at that. Okay, so first one is Lavender Darling. That's the first one. I like her names. Okay, you know what? First off, I like this, but I don't like this. You know why I'm saying that is it will make your feet discolored, and I'm seeing it. I don't like it. I like the effect. I think what I would do is when I do my makeup, I will pop just a little bit at the center of my makeup. But I don't know whether I will put the whole thing. I might do, but it's just making my teeth a little bit, you know, gray, discolored. I'm not for that. I want my teeth to be white. Ooh, but this is lovely. This is so lovely. Lavender Darling. I love Lavender Darling. Ooh, this is Dream Escape. This is whoa. I like her names, you know. Okay. You see, I have not powdered my lips with my foundation, but the color is coming through. Auntie Pa. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Isn't this pretty? Just tell me this is pretty. This is beautiful. You don't need a lip liner for this. This is Naked Rose. Naked Rose. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Do I like Naked Rose? Yes, I do. Now let's move on to the last gloss, and that I got I told you already, the Sunset Seduction. Let's start off from the lightest to the darkest so that I will be able to clean it well. This is Love Potion. Love Potion. This is a bit light, but you know the thing is, it's so pigmented. I'm thinking this is light, but it's so pigmented. Look. Okay, that's Love Potion. And with Love Potion, I think I will line my lips a bit, because it's always better if you have a really light lip color that's not made for, you know, our skin tone. If you line it a bit, it helps. But you can also escape it without lining. I think so. You can do that, because I love it. I just love it. This is so subtle, like at least I you know, as if you don't have anything on your lips. It's so beautiful. I like this. And this is Love Potion. Now let's go for Sunset Rose. Sunset Rose. Okay, come through, pigment. Come through. Even with my darker lips, you are not able to see my darker lip, because with some, you know, liquid lipstick, because I have a darker lips, you are able to see that. But this, you know, you are not able to see it. Look, it's not sticky at all. No, it's not sticky. And this is Sunset Rose. Sunset Rose. And the last one from the mini Lush is Fresh 6. This I like. This I like. This I like. The one that Melissa did put up was so dark, like the mini one. So I got the individual one. So I got the individual ones. Yeah, because the one that she put. Oh, this. You know, when you get that brown lip gloss, that's just like your skin tone. This is what I'm feeling. Let's put more on because I'm feeling this. And the fact that you are not able to see my, you know, my dark lips, that I like. I live for that. I love it. Look. And this is fresh 6. Fresh 6. Look, I live for this. Wow, Auntie Pat, you are doing it. This is what Melissa put up, and the mini version was sold out. So I like, you know what, I will go for this. I'll go for the big one because she said that's fresh 4. I think so. Yes. Yep. And now let's see if Melissa was right. Okay. Okay. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. My God. I like it. I like it. I do. Oh my God, I just like it. Whoa, I'm living for this. I'm living for this. I put it all over my lips. No, I don't need a liner. I really don't need a liner. This is lovely. This is fresh 4. This is so lovely. You know what I would do? I will, you know, line my lips. I will put a darker lip. Let me do that. Let me just do that right now. Let's line our lips. I'm using Sleek lip liner. I don't know if, I think the Just Say Nothing lip liner. It's just like a MAC Chestnut. So if, you know, MAC Chestnut is out of your budget, try Sleek Say Nothing. Okay. Okay, so I've lined my lips and I'm going to use Love Potion in the middle. Wow, look at the combination. I think this is gonna be my, you know, favorite nude combo. And then I will put fresh 4 on top. Look at that. Tell me you don't like that. Tell me you do not like this. This is going to be my favorite new combo from now on. This is so nice. Look at that. I've got it. I've got my nude. I've got my nude for me. I've got the nude for me. Oh my God. This is so great. And the fact that it's not sticky. It's not sticking to my lips. Look. Oh my God. I don't want to take it off. I think we need to stop right here. I've got 2 more, but I'm done. Guys, I'm done. I love this. Why did I do this to myself? I don't know. I don't want to take it off. Please don't tell me to take it off because I don't want to. Oh, no. Am I going to take this off? This is going to be my nude. I found my nude. You know, you have to find your nude, the nude that works for you. And this is the nude. This is my nude. Let's take it off. I came here to review all the lipsticks, so let's just take it off. The first one from her lipsticks I got is Major Red. And ooh, like, look at her packaging. Guys, just have a look at her packaging. Look at that. Goes there and that. That is so I love red lipstick. I do. I love me a red lipstick. Look, the packaging does it for me. It just does it for me. Ooh, I love a red lip. I love a red lip. I'm not gonna line my lips and just let's see. Ah, God, it's so soft. So soft. Let's do the hot time. Ah. Ooh. Now you see my lips is so juicy. So juicy and makes your teeth white. This is the kind of red lipstick that I like. But look at the packaging. And this is major red. This is so lovely. Look. It's so soft. So soft. Whoa. Wow. I've used, red lipsticks in my time, but nothing compares to this. And look at this. Look at that. That's how you close it back. Isn't this sexy? Like, this is so sexy. Look at that. Her packaging is to die for. This is upstairs. So let's go. I'm loving this. Go. Let's take this off. Okay. Ooh. You see, this has a blue undertone. That is why it will make your lips white, but it leaves a stain on your lips. That's the thing I really don't like about red lipstick, that stains your lips. I didn't ask you to be there. I've put you on, and now when I want to take you off, I really want to take you off. You just have to leave. But they do leave a stain. I don't know, all the time. Red lipstick trying to leave a stain, and I don't like. I'm not here for that. Okay. Ooh. Oh, hold on. Ooh. Whoa. Is this like a powder or something? Because this feels like powder. This is orange. I like a bold lip. Okay. This one I would definitely line my lips. Definitely. So this is Obsessed. I would definitely line my lips with this. I'm not leaving it like that. No, I'm not leaving it like that. Let's try with my brown pencil and see the difference. Guys, have you seen the difference? You need to just find what works for you. Yeah, I think this is a bit okay. Yeah, just a little liner goes a long way. Don't just leave your lips looking like a ghost. No, just line it a bit, and then find the lip liner that's right for you and line your lips, and that will make the lipstick really pop and come out. You don't just want to leave the lips like that. No, we are not here like that. Rich aunties vibe. Hey guys, so this is everything that I got from Auntie Pat. I'll be visiting the site and checking out what is new and what's in sale, so I can come and do another review for you. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button and be part of my amazing family. Until I come your way another time, please do take care. Goodbye. Mwah!